Welcome. Today, we're going to master one of Microsoft Word's most powerful features, tables. Get ready, because this is going to totally transform how you organize and present information in your documents.
You know that feeling, right? You've got a jumble of data, names, numbers, project details, and you're struggling to make it look clean, professional, and, easy to actually read. Yeah, it's a super common problem.
Well, the good news is there's a simple, really elegant solution built right into Word: tables. They are absolutely the key to turning all that chaotic information into structured, beautiful clarity.
Okay, let's get right into it. We'll start with the two most basic ways to create a table from scratch. This way you can pick the right tool for the job, whether you're looking for speed or for precision.
So, you've got two great options here. The grid method is awesome. It's fast, it's visual, and it's perfect for when you need a simple table like right now. But for more control, the Insert Table dialog lets you define the exact dimensions you need from the get-go.
So first up, the grid method. It's so intuitive you'll love it. Just head to the Insert tab, Quick Table, and just hover your mouse over the grid. As you drag it, you see a live preview of your table. Let go of the mouse, and boom, your table is ready to go.
But what if you need a huge table, right? Say 15 columns and 50 rows. Dragging for that would be a pain. So instead, you choose Insert Table from the menu. A little dialog box pops up where you can just type in the exact numbers. Click OK, and you get a perfect, precise table every single time.
So now your table is in the document, but how do you make it look perfect on the page? Well, that's where auto-fitting comes in. It really is the secret to making your table intelligently adapt to your content and your layout.
When you create a table, you'll see these three really powerful auto-fit options. Each one does something very specific, and knowing which one to choose can seriously improve your document's readability and just make it look so much more professional.
First is Auto Fit to Content. This is your best friend for dynamic data. As you type, the columns automatically expand or shrink to perfectly fit the text. This gets rid of wasted space and stops any awkward text wrapping. The table basically adjusts to your content.
Next up, Auto Fit to Window. Now this option, this is all about presentation. It stretches your table to fill the page from one margin to the other, and it instantly gives your document a really clean, balanced, and polished look. And finally, for when you need total control, there's Fixed Column Width. You set the column width and it stays put, no matter what content you throw in there. This is absolutely crucial for things like forms or specific reports where you need a uniform layout. Okay, so you've mastered the basics. Now let's dive into two advanced techniques that give you incredible flexibility for those more complex or kind of unconventional layouts.
First, Draw Table. This feature is so cool, it actually turns your cursor into a pencil. It gives you the freedom to literally draw custom layouts with merged cells or unique column structures that a simple grid just can't create.
And the process itself is really straightforward. You just select the tool, click and drag to draw the table's outer border, and then just draw lines inside for your rows and columns. You get complete creative control over the whole structure.
All right, here's a totally different situation. What if you've already typed out all your data? Maybe you separated it with tabs or commas. Retyping all of that into a brand new table would be a huge waste of time.
Well, guess what? You don't have to. You can just highlight your existing text, go to the Insert Table menu, and this time you select Convert Text to Table.
And just like that, Word intelligently analyzes your text, it recognizes the separators, and bam, it instantly organizes everything into a nice, structured table. This is a massive productivity hack. It can save you hours of boring data entry.
Let's wrap up with two pro-level shortcuts. These are perfect for when you either need some advanced functionality or you just need a pre-designed layout in a big hurry. For anyone who works with complex data, you can embed a fully functional Excel spreadsheet directly into your Word document. This means you can use formulas, sort data, and crunch numbers without ever having to leave Word. It's pretty amazing. And for those times when you need a professional-looking table fast, Quick Tables is your answer. It's a built-in gallery of pre-formatted, professionally designed templates for things like calendars, lists, and more.
And here's a perfect example of how powerful this is. Let's say you need a monthly calendar for your report. Instead of building it from scratch, one click inserts the entire structure. All you have to do is fill in your details. It's efficiency at its absolute best. So, from basic insertion to advanced conversion and professional templates, you now have a complete toolkit for organizing information in Word. So the only question is, what complex data will you finally transform and present beautifully with your first master table?